Okay, I'm going to show you the new Equipment Manager, Equipment Editor, I should say. It's on the administration form. Of course, you get there the same way as before. But now, instead of having an add records for adding equipment and view equipment, we've put it all into one under this button called Equipment. It's going to open up a new sort of form that lists all of the equipment down in the bottom in a grid, which you can scroll through. You can go back and forth, and you can do all of your editing here as well. But if you click on any one of these lines, then that brings, see 379 down here, we have all the detail up above, 379. And you can do all of your data entry. Now, unlike the old one, this mixes both trailer and forklift and truck fields all together, so you have to choose what you want. I've not put the ability to edit these lists in yet. That will come later, where you'll click the drop down and be able to add to the list, but these lists should get you started for right now in doing the additional adds that you needed to. You can filter or sort down here. For example, if you wanted to find a certain make, use a text filter and say begins with Kenworth, and then we have all of our Kenworth equipment just available to you in that list right away. Now, getting rid of that filter, you have to come back and clear the filter, and then we have everything back in. Now be careful, because you can make all your edits here. Right? You can be typing over top of, an equipment ID, and now, well, your equipment ID are numbers, so this could now be an equipment ID because you just typed over top of something. So you need to be a little bit alert and careful. You can also change it up here in the detail screen. Okay, so I'm hoping that this will give you a little easier view of all of your equipment very quickly. Being able to find a particular piece of equipment, come to equipment number, go to number filters, and you can choose equals. So say we want to do 4802 and see that one piece of equipment. Here it is. You could also come in, clear the filter, and say number filters that are between 4800 and 48, whatever we had, let's say 50, and we have now all of our 48 whatever trailers all together. So you've got a couple different ways to use that filter. Find the equipment you want, click on the one, make your edits up above. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions or any problems with this. It was a quick redesign, and there's bound to be a couple of issues. Thanks very much, and hope this helps.